It is my privilege to present the following program that was inspired by the way American businesses and organizations have responded to the events of September 11th. It's part of a special series produced by Heartbeat of America called Keeping America Strong. Each program spotlights a business or organization that is helping to do exactly that, keep America strong. Having served in the United States Navy for many years, I fully appreciate the important role small and middle-sized businesses play in the very fabric of our country, and I salute the professionals who lead these companies and thus keep America strong. They are the very backbone of our free enterprise system, and today on this program, you will meet the individuals behind one such organization. I'll be back later in the program to introduce the Keeping America Strong Award. And now, let's learn more about the organization we are honoring today.
Mike McKibben and Jim Sobwick are with me right now. They are the executives from Leader Technologies, Columbus, Ohio, who've been talking with us about this unique technology that this company has developed. Let's explore your backgrounds, gentlemen. Tell me a little bit about what you did before and how you got into this.
Well, if we go back to what we were talking about at the break, I was a graduate of Ohio State University in civil engineering and was also a musician, played professionally for a number of years, and then got out of that and started doing management consulting, and from there into software development that led to what I'm doing now. Are you
a computer geek yourself, so to speak?
No, you know, I'm from that age where computers were starting to come into the computers, into everyday use, and so that pretty much all was self-taught after I got out of college.
I mean, are you a programmer yourself to a degree?
I can program, but I hire guys who do it better than me.
Good for you, good for you. Tell me about your experiences with AT&T.
Well, in the previous company I had, I was fortunate enough to have competed against Bell Labs and won the contract to build AT&T's Windows interface that was eventually supporting Windows 95 when it came out in 1995.
Wow.
And that's how I got a perspective on the market, and then that project was completed and then started Leader in 1997.
And when you started Leader, what was your goal? Did you have a goal in mind for it?
My goal was to take communication software services to the edge. One of the things that I saw in supporting the entire AT&T infrastructure was the difficulty of provisioning. Everything took too long for the users to be able to have the benefit of it. And I saw an opportunity to take a lot of services that had a lot of people involved and make them software-based so that people could provision them themselves. In fact, the salespeople could provision them themselves. That was easier said than done. That has taken almost 10 years to really accomplish.
Well, very good. All right, let's explore the story of how you got Jim involved with you. Jim, tell me a little bit about your past.
My past, I am a computer geek. I graduated with a computer systems background and an MBA, but primarily I've been in telecommunications since I graduated from college. I was one of the co-founders of a company called LCI International that was ultimately absorbed up into Quest. And then my previous engagement, we were one of the founding companies that developed the prepaid calling card. And Mike and I were introduced to each other when I took off about 4 or 5 years from my sale of my last company. And I really enjoyed taking small companies from their inception and building them up to mid-sized to large companies and selling them. And it was a perfect fit for Mike's organization.
Yeah.
Mike was the brains behind the patent, and I really enjoyed doing the back shop type of applications, and we complement each other very well.
Well, that's very good. He'd retired to the farm.
He had, and one of the things you learn about executives like Jim who retire at such an old age is that they pick and choose their projects. So I think it's a testament to our shareholders and to our product that Jim got excited about this product and said it's worth coming off retirement to do this one.
Are you having fun?
I am, absolutely.
Where does this company go now? How big is it, by the way?
We have currently about a dozen employees.
Okay.
And if you look at our history, we started in '97, which was prior to the .com. So we've seen many waves hit this ship as we have moved through the .com crash and the war and the recession and terrorism. And so it's been a pretty tough way to go, but we've had a number of shareholders who've stuck with us, and our employees have stuck with us, and we are now poised, I think, for that next step. And getting guys like Jim involved and others is really poising us to not only really monetize everything that we've learned about how to sell this platform,
right,
but also to monetize our intellectual property, which was another key priority of our company. And that's what.
And it's such, you know, most companies, you think of companies like yours and what you're doing, they're all, you know, Silicon Valley based. You're in Columbus, Ohio. Is that a good place to have a business like this? It's
kind of interesting traveling around the country and people hear, wow, this is pretty interesting technology. Where are you from?
Yeah.
And when you say Columbus, Ohio, they look at you cross-eyed, you know, because they expect this to come out of Silicon Valley or Boston or wherever. So it's kind of fun to.
But it works.
It works. We have a lot of talent in Columbus, Ohio.
Very good. Gentlemen, thank you so much. Great story.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We have been watching the operations of an organization which is doing its part to keep America strong, and we've been learning from its leaders about what they're doing to help move our country forward. This organization represents companies across our great nation that embody the spirit, dedication, know-how, and can-do attitude which has made America the great nation it is today. And now let's present the Keeping America Strong Award.
Now it is my honor to present this prestigious award to Mike McKibben, the Chairman and CEO of Leader Technologies of Columbus, Ohio, for the outstanding work his company is doing to help keep America strong. Mike, it's a pleasure to give this to you. Congratulations.
Thank you, Doug. I appreciate that. This is something I accept for my employees and my shareholders and for our customers and all those who are helping make this company a success.
Well put. Thank you again.
Thank you.
Congratulations for earning the Keeping America Strong Award, which honors innovators and leaders like you who are the heartbeat of America.
Our thanks to retired Rear Admiral Kevin Delaney for taking part in the presentation of the Keeping America Strong Award, the award that salutes small to middle-sized organizations who are helping to move America forward.
If you'd like more information on this company's services, you can find it on the web. Their address is simple. It's www.leader.com.
That's it for Heartbeat of America's special edition, Keeping America Strong.
Now for a final word from William Shatner.
I'm William Shatner. Thanks for watching.